Hello everyone, good morning students. Today we will see the 12th class in Christian subject, room number 8, marketing. 8.5 importance of marketing. In the options in the marketing, money business would fail of the exits. The prime object in the production in distribute goods and service by using effective of marketing. Business could have almost Amazon product of service, but if no, now is the exit in business will be not to enable the it. There is a need of marketing, promote of business without marketing. It is a difficulty which of the professional customer in the old days. Olden days in marketing only for communicate in product of customer. The importance of marketing. First, importance of marketing in society. First topic. Importance of marketing society. Marketing society. The first, in case of standard living, increase of standard living. Second, provided employment. Third, decrease distribution cost. Third, decrease distribution cost. Distribution cost. Fourth, consumer awareness. Consumer awareness. Five, increase of national income. Increase of national income. Six, meaning customer expectation, managing customer expectation. The B. So first topic explanation. We will increase of the standard living. The prime objective in the marketing is to provide goods and service to the customer to satisfy their needs. Full measure defined by marketing as the deliver by standard living in the society. The marketing help of the identify to need of the customer, take the intuitive provided in quality goods of the cheaper price. This will help of the increase in the maintenance by standard living of the customer. In the modern times, large scale production of the goods and service reduce the price of the which of the poor section in society of can obtain a reasonable level of living. Second, provided employment. The modern marketing is the total system which of the cover almost all functions the organize such of the buying and selling, harnessing, transport, warehousing, risk bearing, research and development to other factors. To the reign of To run this system, there is a need of people. Thus, marketing give up the job opportunity of people. With a modern automation, laser employment, available and production function, and their role of marketing witness. You are given opportunity of employment, the society, and production of factors. If the marketing of converse agree of ethanol in right up to point of the in order have a continuous production. There is a most continuous marketing. Only an employment can be certain in the high level of business and activity of the continuous. Third, decrease of distribution cost. Marketing activities help us to provide cheap goods and services of society. Effective utilization in channel distribution can be help the reducing cost of price in product of the service. Reduction of the cost help of the increase of return customer in the product of service. It also assure timely availability of product. Fourth, customer awareness, consumer awareness. The marketing help of the society by informating and educated customer. The function of marketing is the fulfill of the needs in customer. Marketing help the customer to know about the product and service available to market in the usefulness into customer. Marketing provides satisfaction in society, supplying relevant of information, goods and service to the people of society according to demand and taste. Marketing can also by include of the more practical information in asset of marketing, purchase such of the address, phone number, product release of the date, store of hours and web of addresses. Number 5, increase of the national income. The every economic revolve around the marketing, production and finance, the industry, the scientifically organizing marketing activities help the economic development, the country effect of marketing, the product of service. Result of into the industrialization, more of the make economic stronger and stable. Marketing can be bring about the repeat development and country integration of the agriculture of industry. Number 6, managing customer expectation. The marketing research develop the organization to the understand need of the customer. It helps of the developing and product of fulfill customer expectation. Customer review of the collect in the thought of different sources can be help the organization make the necessary change of the product. Business uses marketing to make a customer awareness major change, such as the merger and transfer of the ownership in effective product of offering and seek out improvement of quality. Government of regulation, provide of markets in the market falls of the misleading claims. The B, importance of marketing in the firms. Second, importance of marketing firm. Firms. The first, increase of awareness. Increase of awareness. Second, increase sales. Increase of sales. Third, creates trust. Create of trust. T-R-U-S-T, trust. Fourth, basic of making decision. Basic for making decision. Number 5, source of the news idea. Source of new ideas. Number 6, talking competition. Talking competition. The sixth topic of importance in marketing. The first, increase of awareness. The marketing helps the creating awareness about the existing product, new arrival, as well as the company which of the sales and particular product of market. This raises up the awareness among the professional customer. The increase creates of the image and among the customer. Increase of sales. Once marketing create up the awareness about the product and service among the customer, it attractive the purchasing of some successful or marketing campaigns help of the increase of the sale in organization. Increase of the sale of generates in profit of organization. This income profit in the reverse net of business in the more profit of features. The modern business superior and amazing depend on the effective and awareness of the function of marketing. Third, create of trust. People want to buy from the business has a trustworthy reputation in creating of the among in the customer. Is the time of consuming process creating in the trust of among the customer of the business on loyal of customer. Once more of business establish trust of the your clients, create of the customer loyalty. Happy customer in enhance of the broad image of market. Effective marketing play of the important role in building relationship between the customer and the organization. Fourth, basic of making decision. From the inspection of the idea delivery, final product and customer. Businessman can have the take several of decision. Businessman have a look up after money problems such as what, how, where, how much of the who the produce. Has the scale of the operation increase of the decision become more complex. Marketing help of the take right decision and right times. 5, 6 source of the new ideas. Marketing help of the business in understand the need of customer. Feedback from the customer of the improvement in executing a product. There is repeat of the change in the tested and performance of peoples. Marketing help of the understand the change of the it help of the understand new demand pattern emergent market. Research and development department the product of organization. The P4 means product mix. P4 product mix, promotion mix, profit mix and other mix. The product price, place of promotion, play of the hub and product development, innovation of the innovation take up the place in the need by research and development. The talking of competition, there is the increase of the competition which almost sector the economically. It is a difficulty of the business in create of the monopoly there in the product of services. The role of marketing in the importance of creating the broad image of the mind professional customer. The marketing is not to help of the communicate in the product service in customer but also motivate then the buy and some of the sound marketing storage and partly better image of business in the competition business can be a modern technology of effective marketing. Today we will see the two topics: importance of the marketing in society, importance of the marketing of the firm. Tomorrow we will see importance of marketing customers, then importance of the other decision of the clients. Thank you so much.